Hello and welcome to another video. This video will be showing you how to use the Walmart Fulfillment by Amazon or eBay item fulfillment shopping list. So each store you see right here has an address, and we have a column down here where to input all the data. This will be the link from BrickSeek.com, the website for discounted items to purchase in-store at a physical in-store location in my area in San Diego, California. This is the Amazon link that you'll be inputting to show the full price on Amazon. This is how many items are available at the physical location. This is the price that I'll buy the item for, so the discounted lower price. And this is the Amazon price right here, the full price it will be sold for. After you input all these things, so link 1, link 2, I could buy 5 at this location. The price is $25, but it could sell for let's say $84 it'll sell for. Then that means that I'll spend 5 times 25, $125. I'll make a total of $169 profit. So I'll make back $125 and then I'll make $169 profit. You'll get all of this automatically computed up top. So cost, profit, cost, profit, cost, profit. This adds up the entire spreadsheet. So we can do it again, 3, 7, 42. So this one would be more profitable. It adds them all together and it gives me an average potential return on investment. When you first start, what you're going to need to do is input the date that you did your research. 7/3/2019 would be today. And these first sections of stores are not going to be the most profitable stores. I could show you a couple right now just to show you how long it would take to find a profitable item. You're going to click on this link up top here. If it does not load, you could simply copy paste it up here and it will take you to the store. It's not going to take you directly to the store because you need to be able to log in to BrickSeek. So again, when you try to click that link, you're going to need to log in. This is the username and the password right here. Username, Nessie Quick Ship. Capital letters do not matter. Capital letters do matter in the password. Password is capital S, H, 4, M, 3, L, E, money sign, 1988. That would be the password that you input here. Click Remember Me and log in. This is the map for my area, for my zip code. These are all the stores that you'll be finding inside of the spreadsheet. So this would be South San Diego. It's the few stores down here. This would be Central San Diego for these 6 stores. They're going to be in the middle here. This would be North San Diego. This would be these few stores up on the north side. So those few right there. Carlsbad and Oceanside is up here. So Oceanside, Escondido are all up here. The most profitable items actually tend to be in the Carlsbad, Oceanside area. Let me show you this area up top first though. That way you know that not every store is created equal. As soon as you load it up, it'll automatically have the items and categories selected that I want you to look at. All of these items I want you to avoid, which is why they're not selected. It will automatically in the top right hand corner be sorted by discount, not by newest, but by discount. Now generally speaking, if an item, let's go show you in the spreadsheet, if an item's price to buy, so if the item is $3 and the MSRP on Amazon I know is $19.99 for this item, and you have one available, you're going to spend $3 and make $11 profit. This would be a good item to buy. But what if this item was only 50% off? So 50% off of 20 would be $10. Then you would spend $10 and only make $4. You want to have a potential ROI equal. So $10 gets you $10, or $10 gets you more than $10. So the potential ROI needs to be 100% or better. If it's $3, which is what the price currently is, then you're going to be able to get a high return on investment, or ROI percentage. This is what we're looking for. You don't want to have an item that only gets you 50% or less, which would be if it was $10 or half off. So if the price is $20, you would want it to be 80% or basically more than 60% off, and $3 helps with that. So $3 would be 85% off. So $20 times 85% off would be $3. So this item is currently 85% off, and that is why it is profitable. Once you get down all the way to the bottom of the list, page 1 of 3, you start to realize that the items are getting closer and closer together. So let's look for an electronic, an expensive item, a good item, this laptop. It's $769, but then the price right now is $299. So $299 divided by $769 would be 38%. It would be 60% off. So it's actually right along that border. So right after this item, you would want to ignore all of these items down here. Ignore all these items, and then just focus on the items above and on the first page. Because you do not want an item that is less than 60% off, because mathematically it does not make sense. So this item did work, so we're going to click on this item. And we're going to get the BrickSeek link here. It takes a moment or two for it to load up. And then you need to get the Amazon link. Luckily it is right here, but if it wasn't, you can copy paste. So copy, or select, double click, right click, search Google, and you should be able to find it on Amazon.com right here. If you're searching the UPC code, it will not always work though. Sometimes it'll be more difficult to find it. You're going to go to new and used price right there, and sort by new, and sort by prime. And this is the link that you're going to copy into the spreadsheet right there. So there you go. Now you have it ready. 710 Dannery Road. You need to make sure that you're copying the right one. So if you can't find 710 Dannery Road because there are too many stores, you can hit Control F on the keyboard and type in 710 Dannery. And it shows that there's a limited stock at this location. And it did say that earlier on the main page also. But you should still click into that link. Even though it's not available at this store, it's available at other stores. If you scroll up, it's actually what's closest to the zip code. And if you have not input a zip code already, you should input zip code 92105. That is a zip code for my local area. So now you're going to see College Avenue has 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for this on the spreadsheet. Control F. You want to deselect anything that's on there. Find. So there's College Avenue. You want to add the BrickSeek link and the Amazon link and everything else. So there's College Avenue, San Diego. There is quantity 2 available right there. So we're going to put 2. The price is still $3, and the price is still $19.99 on Amazon. So there we go. Now we're going to go to the next one, and that's going to be North Broadway, which is up top, and we're going to paste it, and there's only 2, and it's the same price. Now 10 Center Parkway, 170 10 Center Parkway. So Santee 10 Center 2. No, there's 3, so we change that to 3. And you keep doing this as you go along the lists and find profitable items. I already know there's no more profitable items to show you on a quick scale to trim down this video timeline, so I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and show you this location. I believe this link is incorrect from the bigger video that I had before, so let me go double check right now. And it is. So we're going to go into this store. Right here. I'm going to support it by what I want to see, which would be baby, electronics, garden, home improvements, pet, sporting goods, tools, toys. And it's going to sort by newest. I'm going to go to discount. And now we have the link to update in here. And now we're going to look for the most profitable discounted items. So this is actual juice of how to find the items. Some things like this might not be as profitable because they might not have a good sales ranking on Amazon. You'll get used to finding out what items tend to be most profitable. They tend to be electronics like this VR headset, wireless charging pad. I know that these items are profitable, so we're going to go into them right now. Gaming headsets. Try to avoid shoes. Everyone has a different shoe size, and there are so many different shoe sizes. It is not necessarily profitable to do shoes, so avoid them. There's a garage Wi-Fi controller. Now let's go into all of the windows I opened. If you don't know how to open up all these windows and what I did, I hovered over the image and I held down the control button and clicked to open a new window. This is using the Google Chrome software. So on Amazon it's $118, so that is good. We would put $118 MSRP, but it says limited stock at all locations, so we skip it. Hit Control W to close out the current tab. Control W. It's $104 on Amazon here. There's 2 in stock, and it's an El Cajon, which is in my territory. Notice it says miles away. You want to be under 50 miles away. You don't want to be 70 miles away because that's too far away for me to travel to drive. So this one would be a good, comfortable area, and it's not in stock anywhere else anyways. So there's 2 in stock at $21, so $21, and the Amazon price is $104. We're going to double check that Amazon price because it could be used. So we're going to go into Amazon, select Prime, and then we're going to select new condition, and it's $104.98. So $104.98. And there were 2 available, 2. And is it on Amazon? What is the link? Would be that link after you hit Prime and New. The BrickSeek link would be this link right here. So BrickSeek would be the blue link with the discounted item. But something to note, there's a mistake that just happened, and you want to make sure you do not do this mistake. Camino Canada, El Cajon, that's where the item should have been added to. So we're going to copy this and find out where Camino is in the spreadsheet. So it's right here about in the middle. So we're going to scroll down, copy this, and put it into Camino Canada where it belongs. And then we're going to come back down here and copy paste over that to make it blank again. Because this was actually not at 705 College Boulevard. If you noticed, it was limited stock. So it's not actually at this location. So you do not want to say that it is. You say what location it is at, and you make sure that it goes into the right column to the right address. So now we do have that, and that's you're spending $42 and you're making $105. So your potential ROI is still above 100%, and that is very, very good. So we close out these 2 tabs now. $118 on Amazon, and there's none available locally. $78 on Amazon, and there is a decent amount available locally. 9 miles, 10 miles, 2 miles. Close by, $11. So that is a very good profit margin. To find the profit margin, you could just input it into here if you wanted to really quickly. So you could put college right here, $11.99 on Amazon. It appears to be $70. This is used like new. We want to filter by new, and we see 78. Only one person has it for $78.50. And how many are at that store? There are 2 at the college store. there's 2. So we're going to copy the Amazon link now, go back to the BrickSeek link, copy that as well, and we're going to go and copy paste it to the next store, which is East Lake in Chula Vista. East Lake, Chula Vista, and there's 3. So go all the way up. East Lake, Chula Vista, update to 3, and now we have another one. $35, $129 profit. That's a 400% ROI. It's increasing our ROI percentage. That is a very good item to add. We're going to add one more to Santee Town Center again. Right there. There's only 2. Make sure you update the quantity to 2. And there we are. So we're already at $500 profit with $150 spent and a 300% return on investment or return on money. Colton is over 50 miles away. Palm Desert is over 50 miles away. And these are not available, so we are going to skip all of those. So we close this out, and we see the next one. So you would keep moving on until you had a bunch of profitable items, and that is simply how you use this spreadsheet. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and once you have every single link, so all of these links visited, you will eventually have a spreadsheet that has a couple $1,000, maybe $5,000 of potential profits with $1,000 or $2,000 required capital, and hopefully it's over 200% ROI. That's what I would prefer to stick to. If you inputted an item right here, and again, it was $75 to purchase, but it was $350, and you only got 1, that would still be good, and that would still be profitable. You would have $170 profit. But if that item was $250, it would make negative $5 profit. It would make no profit whatsoever. So it does matter what the return on investment is, and you want that return on investment to have a good percentage, preferably over 100%. But if it is 50%, this is 25% right here. $200, spend $200, make 45. That's about 25% return on investment. 180 goes up, maybe 150. Now you're spending 150 and making that 120. So you'd want this item to cost $120 to simply make 125 or a little bit over 100% return. So it is important on what you purchase the item for. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to input this data into the barcode template, and you can get a product image, the barcode number to scan with, how many you should buy, how many are at the location, the MSRP, the total price, insert the location address, and all that good information, which is much easier to find. This is going to be the more time-consuming spreadsheet to do, but this is where all the profitable items are found at physical stores and locations, this time exclusively being Walmart. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please send me a Skype message, email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible with any questions. Thank you very much.